Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a Dollar General haul. I went to a different Dollar General because they just started opening again in my area because of the lootering. That happened a long time ago, a few months back. And they just recently opened one in my area, but everything else was still closed down. So I was happy to go into a Dollar General. So anyway, let's get started. The very first thing is I picked up this big, huge roll of black or white a white pattern. It looks like this. I got this really big long carpet. It's super big and long for $20. So I'm going to put this somewhere in my home. That's why I bought it. And then I picked up two of the skinny bottles right here of the Diet Pepsis because they're 3 liters over there. Cost $3 something and it's a ripoff when I could get it for like $1 something. So I just bought those instead. And then also at Dollar General, I picked up some Fruit Punch Minute Maid juice. And then this happened again, guys. I don't know why they're doing it. Who's doing it? They just throw stuff in the bags and this was leaking. It's open. I can smell the lavender. It feels a little loose right here. So this is the spray Spick and Span antibacterial cleaner. And this is the fresh lavender scent. Disinfects and kills germs. So I bought this big purple bottle, and this one was open and leaking in the bag. So, I don't know, it's weird. And then I got more of these pinolines, the ones that I buy from Mexico. They're from Mexico, but you can find them anywhere here where I'm at, especially Dollar Tree. You can find them in Home Depot, different places. So I picked up 4 bottles of these. They're only $1 at the Dollar General. So I picked up 4 bottles of the pine sols. I love this stuff to clean house. I love my house to smell fresh like pine. And then I picked up one of these spray cleaners from Spick and Span. This is the fresh citrus scent. So this is the orange one. And then I picked up a big gallon. Usually you see these at Dollar Tree. It's still $1 at the Dollar General. This is the gigantic big gallon of the orange cleaner. The awesome orange heavy duty degreaser. So this is good to use in your spray bottles. This is an excellent product for degreasing. So I picked up one of those. And then I picked up this big bag of Caesar's dog food for my dog. Then I got two things of paper towels. They're only $1. And I noticed they're bigger and a little bit better than the Dollar Tree ones. Then my son found this. He was so excited. This is hard to find. We got the real movie now of the Monkey King. Yeah, we got the video game too. It's really decent. So that's the Monkey King. And then I picked up 2 of the 6 packs of the cheap toilet paper they always have. You get 6 for $1. Better than Dollar Tree. And then, of course, I had to get my Diet Pepsi on. So I had to drink that. So that's it, guys. That's all I picked up at Dollar General. They didn't really have much. They have like a few spring things, but nothing too crazy over. But yeah, that's it. That's all I picked up at Dollar General. Thanks for watching this haul. Let me put the juice and stuff away, and I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day, guys. Bye.